Alright, a bit of a odd distortion that I've been noticing for months. I'm going to have to get one of the Behringer quad amplifiers changed out. Right, pink noise is generating out there. There's no microphone up there, the microphone's up there. Go to RTA, set on, and getting a buzzing crosstalk because the I thought that they were discreet, you know, but there is a bit of crosstalk generating. That's my left centre, right HF horns. Then it comes down to the other amplifier. That's my centre HF horn, and then that's my left surround output for individual along the sides of the surrounds, and then followed by the right side. But obviously due to the surround signal generating out through the, you know, into the amp, it's crosstalking over here. It's crosstalking over. It doesn't seem to crosstalk from here over to there. It's always from here. It's always channel 2 crosstalking over to channel 1. But I'm going to get another one, and then totally, you know, that might just, you know, solve it. Seems like a pain in the arse really, when I could probably go in there and just sort of like see what's up with the circuitry. But that's about it. I'm on the case, and every time I play a sound, a sine wave, I'm thinking, oh, because my memory's always forgetting, I'm thinking, is that buzzing noise coming from there? Because if I increase the volume, the signal crosstalk distortion is going down. Bring the volume fader, lower it, put it about there, and goddamn elusive. Oh god. Oh, mute that. In fact, yeah, that's so the signals. Oh, and that's it. So I'll get on the case and try and solve that. Sometimes, if there's any sort of hard low bass signal, it crosstalks. It doesn't damage the HF driver, but it is kind of a bit distracting. So hey, I'm aware and I'm on the case.